Alright, here we are, November 13th, 2010. First snowstorm of the season. Weathermen predicted 3 to 5 inches of snow over the course of 24 hours. And after about, well, it probably started snowing about 5 this morning from what I know. And it's only noon. So 7 hours, we have gotten at least 7 inches. And power lines are falling down, trees are falling down. It's insane. Look at these Negroes walking. Freaking Negroes. And a white boy. What up, Negro and white boy? Boy. I'm fucking blind. My knees are scraped. Oh my fucking god. What the fuck is that doing in the road? Come on now. Get that shit out of the road. Holy shit. Power line is down in their yard and my yard. We got a power line sagging well below what it should be at. People will be losing power soon enough. That's a goddamn guarantee. Alright, time to go. Good God. Fucking mid-November.